just being silly, or he's just a boy, and he's like, I would get ready to go out, at night, put a little perfume on, come in the room, say goodnight to him, and he'd be like, that.
Again, if you're here for the DIY cleaning workshop where we're making the air freshener and cleanser, you're in the right place. I am Marianne Klingenberg, owner of See My Cells. That's my husband, Mr. See My Cells, Kevin, over there. So he was very helpful today. Thank you, Kevin. I'm going to introduce Malie. She's the one here to talk to us about toxic and chemical-free living. Malie Simpson, I've known for, probably coming up on 2 years now. Actually met her through Lance. And we've collaborated on a couple of events and things together, and work really well, very like-minded, and I learn a lot from these two, by the way. So really excited to bring some workshops to See My Cells this year through other toxin-free, like-minded people. So a little bit about Malie is she's had a house cleaning business. Who saw our video that we put out on Facebook? A couple people, okay, where I interviewed her, and okay. Anyway, Malie's had a housekeeping business here in Las Vegas for about 28 years, and for the last 15 years she has used totally toxic-free, chemical-free cleaners. And of course her clients are very happy, and they still love the cleaning job, etc. Of course, she's also a doTERRA essential oil distributor. And for those of you who know me in the room, know that I'm very ingredient oriented and very particular about what I use and have my clients use. So very pleased with doTERRA. And tell us what you do for doTERRA as far as going around the country training and such.
So as a doTERRA wellness advocate, I will travel at times to different teams across the country. I just came back from New York, and I will train. I really just do a class like this for people. So of course I do a lot of local here too, but doTERRA does help me travel. So if I have people that I know, whether they're friends or family or on the team, that want to do a class like this, then I'm able to go and teach them how to use natural solutions for their health.
Beautiful. And she not only, does this through oils, she's very health-minded as far as foods and any type of supplements she's putting in her. So this gal really knows her stuff. So take it away, Malie.
Thank you, Mary Ann, and thank you so much I love partnering with Mary Ann because she knows her stuff as well, and she does the microscopy, which she'll talk about a little bit later, and it's just a huge eye-opener for those who's done it with Mary Ann, who's done so you got some See My Cell fans here, so it's just a real eye-opener what's going on inside your body. And so a lot of times we ignore it, or we can't see what's going on inside there, so we're just assuming everything's okay, or we don't want to know. So I love the fact that we can peek inside there and see what's going on, and she can tell us. And we, of course, we have solutions. So it's not all doom and gloom if things aren't looking so good inside there.
Good point.
Okay, so for myself, I grew up in a large family. My mom was a stay-at-home mom. She cooked and cleaned, and I had 5 sisters. So out of the 5 sisters, who do you think cleaned the best? Me. So as we did chores around the house, my mom noticed that I cleaned better than my sisters did. And coincidentally, I ended up with this cleaning business when I was about 24, 25 years old. So I started cleaning. I had 4 kids. I have 3 grandkids now. But about halfway into my cleaning career, I had an employee. There was 2 things that really made me change what I was using. One was I had an employee that worked with me for a really long time, and she would say, these cleaners are going to just kill us someday. And she did a lot of the bathroom work and the kitchen work, and where you would use stronger cleaners. And so one day I was just like, well, if they're gonna kill us, why are we using them? Like, is it really worth our health to clean everyone else's house and even our own homes with toxic cleaners? Why don't we look for something that's all natural and non-toxic, but will still do the job? And so I began that search looking for natural cleaners, and here I am today, 5 years later. Come on in, throw your lunch down. 5 years into my wellness journey, so 15 years into my cleaning, I started, like Marianne said, my clients are really happy with the natural cleaning. I'm happy for my own health, I'm happy for their health, and my son also started complaining when he was a little younger about when I use perfume or cleaners in our own home. And at the time, I just thought, oh, he's just being silly, or he's just a boy, and he's like, I would get ready to go out, at night, put a little perfume on, come in the room, say goodnight to him, and he'd be like, that your perfume smells. And I was like, what are you talking about? Perfume smells good. But I realized, as I learned more about it, that actually perfume has